Now we will consider the second method, that is a method of completing the square. This I would like to explain it through some examples here, and solving quadratic equation by method of completing the square. Consider the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Let me call this is equation number 1. First observe the term containing x square, that is 3x square, which is not a perfect square. Make it a perfect square by multiplying by 3 or by dividing by 3. That is, it is going to be 9x square or x square accordingly, whether you are going to multiply it by 3 or dividing it by 3. And now let us consider the first case, that is multiply by 3, that is 9x square. Then the equation 1 becomes 9x square minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. That is, we will call it as a equation number 2. And next observe the middle term, that is minus 15x of the equation 2. Now next observe the middle term, that is minus 15 of x. It does not contain 2 into 3 into x, but contains 3x only, but it contains 3x. 3x into 5 is equal to 15x. Therefore 3x is a factor of minus 15x. And next make it 2 into 3x, but by dividing the term by 2 and adjust it to make it minus 15x. Here you can see 9x square minus 2 into 3x into 5 by 2, 2 getting cancelled, and this is going to be 3x into 5 minus 15x. So we have got the middle term, and keep the last constant term as it is, and let me call this is a equation number 3. Now the terms 9x square and minus 2 into 3x into 5 by 2 are of the form p square plus 2pq. Hence p is equal to 3x and q equal to 5 by 2. And therefore add 5 by 2 whole square and subtract it in equation number 3. Here add the same quantity 5 by 2 whole square and subtract the same quantity 5 by 2 whole square. We get 9x square minus 2 into 5x, 3x into 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 6 is equal to 0. Let me call it as equation number 4, as there is no change in the equation 3. And observe that the first term first three terms, first three terms of equation 4 we have that is, what is that? It is going to be it is going to be what is that? 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 6 equal to 0. And let me call it as equation number 5. And therefore the equation 5 can be written as 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 5 by 2 whole square minus 6 that is 3x by 5 by 2 this is 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 25 by 4 minus 6 that is 25 minus 24 by 4 that is 1 by 4 that is 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4 and call this is an equation what is that 6 and therefore by taking the square root both sides of the equation 6 we have what is that? We have 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. That is 3x is equal to 5 by 2 plus or minus 1 by 2 that equal to what is that 5 plus or minus 1 by 2 both sides the LCM is 2 only and hence therefore 3x is equal to x is equal to 5 plus or minus 1 by 3 into 2 that is 5 plus or minus 1 by 6 and hence therefore x is equal to 5 plus 1 by 6 that is 6 by 6 1 or x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 4 by 6 that is 2 by 3. Therefore roots of the equation are roots of the given equation. One or 2 by 3 and we can verify this roots by verification and look at the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now if you take x is equal to 1 that is going to be 3 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 minus 5 plus 2 is equal to 0 only and therefore x is equal to 1 is the root and also if you take x is equal to 2 by 3 then 3 into 2 by 3 whole square minus 5 into 2 by 3 plus 2 and that equal to 3 into 4 by 9 minus 10 by 3 plus 2 that is 4 by 3 minus 10 by 3 plus what is that 2 and add these two fractions so what is going to be minus 6 by 3 plus 2 that is minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. Therefore, our answer is right. Correct.